Good morning. We're in trouble now.
Here I go!
Wow! Congratulations!
Oh, wow!
Amazing! Dory.
Hey, what happened? Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to. Woohoo!
Oh no! Hello!
My God, are you still talking?
Oh, wow!
Hello! I sound like a tortilla, but my boobs are huge! I am ready to put on a show! Okay! Good job!
Let's go! Here we go! The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye!
Okay! No!
Bye-bye.
We're in trouble now!
Whoa! Amazing!
Oh yes!
Okay, let's go!
Going to kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye, have a great time.
I am ready to put on a show. Here I go!
Oh, wow!
Hello! We're in trouble now. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Hey, what happened?
Wow! Congratulations!
Are you alright?
Help me! Good job! My God, are you still... Whoa! Amazing!
Here we go!
Bye, have a great time.
Okay, let's go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back.
Bye!
Okay! Good job! Oh yes! Go!
I'm going to kill some kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find me some chubby.
Bye-bye.
Okay!
Whoa! Amazing!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Bye!
Okay.
Oh no!
To handle the answer to.
Okay.
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning!
Oh.
Amazing!
Okay, let's go!
Oh, yes!
Here we go!
Going to kids today, looking for the chumpa behind. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make
Bye, have a great time. Are you alright?
Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Bye.
Here I go!
Okay! Good job!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities. Yeah.
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Okay.
Here we go!
Bye-bye!
Okay, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
Good morning! Wow! Congratulations! Hello! I am ready to put on a show! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge!
Hey, what happened?
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
We're in trouble now.
Oh, wow.
Are you still?
Okay. Wow. Oh, yes. Good job.
Here we go!
Bye-bye. Okay.
Wow! Amazing!
Hey, hey, hey!
Don't ask questions you aren't prepared to handle the answer to.
Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Okay.
Here I go!
going to kill some kids today, looking for the chumpa behind. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye-bye! Okay, let's go!
Bye, have a great time.
おはようございます。We're in trouble now. Wow! Congratulations!
Here I go!
Hello. I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge. We're in trouble now.
Hey, what happened?
Good morning, good morning. It's hot the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Ready to put on a show.
Are you alright?
Good job!
Here I go!
Bye-bye. Okay.
Wow! Amazing!
Oh, yes.
Hey, hey,
hey!
Good job!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Going to kids today, looking for the chubby ones. Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna
Bye-bye! Okay.
Bye.
Questions you aren't prepared.
Oh, hello.
Oh, wow.
Here we go!
Bye, have a great time.